Hello everyone. I am just now opening my package from Innersense Organic Beauty, and as you can see, I'm just kind of unwrapping everything, and I am so excited right now to see what I got. Wow, this is the Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner, 10 ounces, so it is pretty big. And I'm so happy to be replacing all of the crap that I was previously using. This is the volumizing foam. It's a styling foam to boost style, create style memory, and medium hold. I love this so much. Looks like I have another one here. Obi, hi baby, what's going on? This is the Pure Harmony Hairbath. It is a gentle cleansing shampoo for normal hair. And this one is the daily conditioner. And it's a lightweight one. I do have fine hair, so this is kind of the one for me. I love that they are not only certified organic and they're Bay Area green business, but they're cruelty-free. They, are all about recycling. And I just love that they're super, super transparent with what is in the products in terms of ingredients. And I have one more little goodie here, it looks like. And this is the harmonic healing oil. It is a high vibration healing oil to nourish hair, skin, and nails. I love oils so much. And this is safflower seed oil, evening primrose oil. I mean, everything looks amazing. I cannot wait to use these. Thank you, Innersense. This is beyond what I expected. It's amazing, and I cannot wait to try these and give you guys all a review. Obi is really excited, and she brought me her little toy here. Oh, yes, baby, yes. Here, do you want to pose with Innersense? Look at that! Mommy got some new healthy shampoos. Mom got me some helpies. Yes, okay. All right, see everyone later. Thanks for stopping by my channel again. There we go. And I'll talk to you guys all soon. Mwah.